Rider Japan channel, welcome. Right, video uploaded yesterday. I was fitting a new repair kit to my R1's fuel petcock, fuel tap. Fitted it, new gaskets, new O-rings and everything, all cleaned up, all ready to go. Still dripping fuel, so I thought, just get a new one then. But someone commented on that video, Angelum Band, thank you very much Angelum. The only thing you needed to do was polish the face of the valve flat. Asked me how I know, so I'm assuming you're talking about that, because that is a bit pitted. That's constantly got fuel sitting against it. So that is all pitted, look, where it's just constantly got fuel against it. Over the years, it's eroded the surface. It's just off flat, it's a little bit wavy. You can also see where the rubber valve, the rubber gasket sits against it. Does look like it's securely been around that. I just feel doubtful this is going to work, but I'll try it, I'll flatten it. The comment mentioned polish it. I think they just mean flatten it and get it nice and smooth. It's probably more important than being shiny in it. So let's go. A bit of sandpaper wrapped around a flat stick. Buff sticks, I call them. So you can see the pitted bit is still pitted. The rest of it's gone flat. See, that was hardly anything. I can't imagine this working, just based on this experience now. If that pitting was right across it, then yeah, maybe it's doing something, but it's all contained around that gasket, which means that rubber gasket was doing its job the whole time. That's it, as far as it's going to go. Another one, this is a bit smoother. This metal, I don't know what this metal is, it's like a weird aluminium alloy. It's not aluminium, it's not anything else either. It's like mixed with pewter or something. This ain't going to work, this ain't going to do nothing. I will happily stand corrected though if it does. Put some rubber grease on it. Okay, I'm not confident this has done anything because yesterday when I tilted this forward after fitting the gasket, seemed to be fuel coming out from around there. That's the issue, how that's joined into it. Whatever. Seems to work though. Right, took it right down. Wow, that has totally solved it. Nice one. Because I'm very much a beginner at working on bikes and stuff, I happily take advice from anyone. I don't have any kind of ego caught up in any ability on what I can do and what I own. I'm just learning from everyone. So if I see something in my videos and you know better, please let me know and I'll happily learn from you. Anyway, cool, right, so I'm going to put the tank back on this and then this bike is done except for fork seals. Doing these, both sides are pretty bad. One side really bad, there was oil on the disc. I think this side, yeah, really oily, so that's the last job I've got to do and then I can get this bike tested and get it road legal and start riding it again. In my last video I ordered online these, so I've got those, look how bad they are.